Got another update here at the Galt road grade crossing on the UP Geneva Sub in Galt, Illinois. As you can see, the new signals are on the ground, ready for installation. These appear to be pretty typical new signals for UP. Yeah, there you go there. NEG bell, GE dot LEDs, Siemens gate mechanism. And there you have it. And there's new gates there. The new gate lights are probably in that box there. The NEG clear LEDs. So yep, not gonna be too much longer for this crossing here. And again, that very short-lived ASC bill. It was fun while it lasted, but can't last forever, unfortunately. Got these trucks to go by. Come on. And you can see down there they got work going on at that crossing as well, at N Street. I did see a couple other signal masts sitting in Sterling, so that's probably for that crossing. They'll probably get both of these installed around the same time. Although this one's definitely going to be first, since they already have the new signals here ready to go. So yeah, probably by the end of the month or early June, they'll get the new ones in, and the ASC bell will be gone. So when that happens, I'll post a new update video.